Hi guys, this is Pradeep Kumar. So in this video we will see about the what is a SOC, every company hire for the SOC team, what is purpose of the SOC team, if a company hire for the SOC team, then SOC team what will do there and if they are working for the SOC team every company, then what is tool they are using for the SOC team and main purpose why company hire for the SOC team. So let's start for the beginning. My name is Pradeep Kumar. So SOC team. What is SOC? SOC full form it is Security Operations Centers. So in this video overview, we will see about the SOC, purpose of SOC, the use of the SOC to every company and what they are using for the SOC team use tool in real life and end of the video, we will see about the conclusion. Conclusion, it means that time we will break up all the component, what we learned for this video and why it is happen. First page, we will see about the SOC. What is SOC, and you also know about say what is about the SOC. As it is SOC about SOC full form, it is a Security Operations Center, and let's start. Security Operations Center that is called SOC. They are dedicated hub within every organization that monitor and detects, analyze, and responds for the cyber security threat, help keep the entire data environment safe. It means SOC security team. They are help to the organization to save against the cyber threat. They are working like monitor. They are working in security team, security operations center team that is called for SOC team. SOC this team they are working like for the every organization. They are monitoring for the traffic and uh, for the detection for the every traffic and analyze for the every traffic, and then they are also response to the cyber threat and help. They are also keep helping entire the data environment safe and the security team, SOC team. They are uh, keep helping for the every organization which are running for the SOC team and which company hiring for the SOC team and SOC engineers. There are mostly three types of the SOC team, and they are also we there we have a three level in a SOC team. First level is a SOC level one, and this is a uh, beginner level, and SOC layer two. This is the intermediate level, and uh, SOC level three. This is for the advanced level. For this SOC level, we have tab for the SOC and you know about the what SOC team they achieve for the company and they what are they doing for the daily basis work for the company. So in this video we will also see the SOC team work around the clock. It means they are working for the 24 hours 7 day and they are using for the cyber powerful technology and skill security professional. They are also more than for this attackers. They skilled profession and keep watch for the network, system, application, and data for the sign of the suspicious activity or attacker. Administrators of SOC team, they are uh, check monitoring for the networking traffic systems, system log, and applications and data, which is assigned to the organization to the SOC team. SOC team, they will update for the manage security tool, gather threat intelligence, and coordinator response and the recovery after incidents. They also investigate investigate for the company against the cyber threat. If it's the attacker uh, attack for the company and they was get access for the data and they was destroy for the data for the company. So the SOC team they will manage for the security and they are used for the mostly uh, high level and advanced level security team and they will respond and they will secu- recovery after attacks and constantly improve protocol and compliance. They will daily base check for the update and daily base check for the recovery and then they will backup and they will check for the daily basis network traffic suspicion, whether it is uh, suspicion traffic or not. Suppose attacker try to access for the organization, so often if in case they will see for the this is a seems like look suspicion, they will might find out the whether it is suspicion and whether it is do the our organization employee. Suppose it is going on the organization team employee, they will aware for the that employee don't do the other time. It will come in the malpractice and data breaches. It will uh, damage for the security data. So uh, suppose it is not for the security employee, it is come on the outside for the company. They look like for the cyber attack. So SOC team that times we will check for the uh, what is the weakness for the com company attacker want for the access and how it is possible and what weakness and where it is available. So that's it for the SOC team level game and purpose of the SOC. Yeah. Next, what is purpose of the SOC? So for the purpose of the SOC team level improvement organizations availability and threat detection against for the cyber attacks. There are multiple phase for the again multiple way for the against cyber SOC response and do the work. First, we there have the threat detection and response. SOC team improve and organization ability to detect cyber threat, response rapidly to incidents, and preventing future attacks. Threat detection and response. SOC team they will also plan for the future. Next time, it will not happen for the look like same, and they will work for the future also. They will update for the managers and they will analyze for that threat detections and they will also find out the response incidents and preventing for the futures. And they a SOC team continues work there. A SOC team monitor network endpoint server application and database. They were working. They was working for the certain 24 hours 7 to the identify suspicious activity and the potential breach. SOC team monitor network. SOC team monitor the network and they are also used for the Wireshark, Astronaut, and many more tools for the find out the suspicion and traffic for the analyze traffic and they will also find check whether it is a suspicion if in case find out the suspicion traffic so uh, SOC team they will do the terminate session and they will give the blocked they SOC team then that session that will block for the never, it will happen for the next endpoint. Endpoint, what is it for the endpoint? SOC team, they will work for the and find out the endpoint to point to endpoints. So vulnerability, whether it is a weakness, whether it is uh, share data to our organization, employee data, whether it is did the mistake for the our employee, whether it is did for the uh, our organizations, any teams, and they analyze and aware to the data of employee who was the served did the mistake and share the data. Server, what is meaning of the server in the SOC team? SOC will also check for the server side and they will be check for the whether it is weakness for the company server, whether it is going on DDoS attack, whether it is going for the SQL injection. They will analyze for the 24 hours, 7 day, and they if in case identify the suspicious activity, so they SOC team was do that, mitigate and find out. Yeah, is next steps incident in investigation and a SOC analyze for the SOC investigation, alert and validate threat and perform trigger under scope and impact for the incidents. Suppose that attacker already attacked for the organization, and after that know about the SOC team how attacker was attacked for the organization, what is the impact, whether it is uh, server side, it is going for the attacks, whether it is the client side. Server team that times validate for the thread, whether it is a server side. If it is server side, so they will uh, trigger that times for the server thread, and they will be help for the company. And I also investigate for the data alert, how it is happen for the investigations, and whether which part of the come for the data alert. So they will be help for the company. For the we will check for the typical use for the socket use of the socket. Why? Yeah. So company why hiring for the socket and what is purpose for the socket for the hiring every company. Socket it is used for the uh, multiple way. For the first way, regulatory compliance ensure organization meet cyber security requirement and maintains record of cyber security event and response. Security compliance. See, this is for the organization, for the company, requirement and maintenance for record and security event and response. In the that in this that meaning this meaning of the CSOC team, they are also hiring for the approach for that organization to hire for the SOC team as well as a security team. They will find out the vulnerability and whether it is uh, high level vulnerability, weakness, whether it is low level, whether it is medium level. So they encourage to the company organizations and they are maintained for the recorded security event. And SOC team also save for the cost saving for the organization. Uh, so why it is called for the cost saving? I see. So often they are working for the say 24 hours 7 day, and they will be analyzed for the traffic, and they will reduce for the financial damage for the improving security posture and responsibly offensive. Just like for the uh, saving cost, suppose. Cust- uh, cu- Suppose that company face for the cyber threat and they are also damaged for the company reputations, data, and the company also lost for the many more customer and client. So that time client they are sad for you. They will said for the company, you are not responsible for the on your data, and how will you save for my data from your organization? So that time customers they will be left of that company, and it will affect for the organization cost. So that time also save for the cost saving, enhance the enhance risk management. SOC team they are analyzed for the data, identify the weakness and productivity, implement mitigation. SOC team they are using for the many more tool like Asnot, Splunk, CodeStrike, and SEAM. These are tools for the use for the SOC team, and they will be and use of the DAT tool they are analyzed for the data identify and weakness. So okay, they will they will be generate for the create for the report and submit to the organizations. This is happen for the organizations, and there you have the vulnerability in that call for the weakness for your SIP. A SOC team full. Yeah. Next step, we will see about the what you have the question for the SOC team. What tool they are using? They are the mitigate and response for the data and more analyze. We have the multiple tool that calls the here I've list for the only three tool, and apart from that we have the call for the S not tool and yeah, for the analyze for the traffic tool, that's called the WhatsApp like that. Yeah. In this section, and we will see about the um, Splunk logarithm. I've got a struct Falcon tool, and also I will give brief information for the WhatsApp tool. The tool mostly used for the SOC team, the monitoring are Splunk, Logline, and CodeStruct Falcon. These are a tool for the standard solution for the collective analyze, monitoring, and responding to the security data in the real time. Splunk widely used for the log management, threat detection, and advanced analysis for the SOC environment. Splunk tool it is used for the purpose of the uh, used for us by the SOC team. They will management threat. They will find threat and detect, analyze for the analyze for the to against for the attack and monitoring log rather. No, it is also known as you also know about the same. You heard about uh, information security event managed that is called for logarithm, and a short form it is SIM. For the same team used for the by the use for the SOC team, and they are centralized data and productivity incident response. Uh, uh, Crowd extracts Falcon. Next is the crowd extract Falcon. Provide cloud-based endpoint data sys and detection and response real-time monitoring and the threat detection. See, a lot of companies use for the service cloud-based. You don't have the storage to on, so they are using for the cloud-based security and they storage. So that time cloud abstract Falcon provide for the cloud endpoint detections response. So if software used for these tool, so they will be analyzed and risk detects for the whether it will be. have a weakness, whether it is a attack attack for the cloud-based organizations, and where it is uh, data prevent data mi- mitigate or not. They will check for the use sorting use of the cloud extract. Yeah, they are also use of the cloud extract. They will also real-time monitor, and they are also find out the threat intelligence. For the conclusion in this, yeah, we, we we already you already heard about for me. I will give the no, I will talking about the traffic analyze for the tool that is called for the WhatsApp. This is real time, and you will also check the use of the WhatsApp tool. In this tool, you will able to see the real time traffic and uh, what what is it to the attacker, how it is performed. So the attacker, whether it is a login, they try to attacker, they always try to the mm, data for the company. They try to the login page. They try to the get for the all the data like customer uh, customer data, company reputation data. They are for the try to access. You will able to see the use of the WhatsApp and also find out the you you can also save use of this WhatsApp. You will save it to the your network and server based data. For this will end up so. Last one conclusion for this paragraph and this PDF. So in this video conclusion, it is a security part of virtual of the modern cyber security service and for frontline defense data that continues monitoring, detect, and respond to cyber threat. It will help organization radio risk response quickly and incidents and that and protect critical data for and systems by using advanced tools and a skilled professional SOC team improve overall security, ensure regulatory compliance and safeguard a company's reputations, data and operation is it increasingly a digital world investigate investing in a SOC is a mission strategic move for the organization, aiming the best ad for the evolving cyber threat that maintain a strong cybersecurity resilience. It means a conclusion that is meaning of the conclusion. SOC team they are the defense against to the cyber attacks. And they are also reduce risks for the organization. They are also software. They will be give the quickly response and they will protect critical data from the system. The, to the, any organizations who are hiring for the software, who, whose company running for the software. That's it for our end. So, and for this video, I hope you have it. I hope you got it all the point. If you have any doubt for the in this section, kindly comment for the our YouTube channels. I will post it this video of our YouTube channel, so you can also able to see for the comment section. You can see comment your doubt. I will definitely help to you. Your doubt. Thank you. Bye bye.